Hey guys, I'm back with another fitness challenge. I completed Chloe Ting's 2021 2-week shred challenge. You might have already seen my review on the original Chloe Ting 2-week shred challenge, but if not, feel free to check it out in the info link above. Let's get started. This is my before body video. If you're debating on which of the 2-week shred challenges to do, my recommendation would be to do this most recent one. This 2-week shred challenge really worked, and I did not do any other exercises besides what was included in this 2-week shred challenge. First thing I wanted to discuss is diet. Obviously, you will need to watch your diet to a certain extent. Try not to overeat. That is such a huge thing. Again, I didn't purposely diet for this video, but I ate normal meals every day, and I had some occasional cheat days. Yes, I may have snuck in some burgers with fries, and I couldn't not get my boba on the weekends. Cheat days can act as a healthy reward as long as you don't overindulge in them. Portioning is everything. Don't get that 32-ounce drink, stick to the 8-ounce ones. Consumption is okay in moderation. Also, be realistic. If you're aiming to see huge results, those results won't come until you make some huge changes in your life. Don't expect six-pack abs in 2 weeks if you've never worked out before. It's unrealistic. Pause for a minute and really think about why you're working out. Create a goal you want to reach, and it'll be easier to get there. A number on the scale is not always the best because it can feel very discouraging if you don't reach it. My goal in completing this 2-week shred challenge was just to feel stronger and to shed some fat. Chloe included exercises fit for beginners as well as more advanced individuals. She mentions you can use workout bands and weights if the exercises are not difficult enough for you. She did not have this included in her last 2-week shred challenge, and I love that she has it included now. There are easier alternatives available for those of you who live in apartments or for those who are barely starting out on their workout journey. When I feel extra weak, I opt to do the lower impact, easier exercises, and it's important to listen to your body and only do what you feel you can handle that day. It's not about being lazy. If your body is in an uncomfortable amount of pain when working out, it's not a good sign. You should stop your workout and reevaluate what you're doing. Some days you can feel extra strong, and other days you can feel easily exhausted, and that's okay. Listen to your body and discuss with the health physician if needed. Now, these exercises were standard throughout the program, and this could be a good thing or a bad thing depending on what you personally prefer for your workout. Unlike some other fitness challenges, Chloe includes some of the same exercises but in different workout videos. This makes it easier for beginners to follow because you would have already learned that exercise from a previous video. Therefore, you can focus more on the exercise rather than having to watch the screen. I will mention one of the big downsides for me personally about this 2021 2-week shred challenge was the amount of exercises on your wrist. Now I have really bad wrists, so it was really hard for me to get through all of these workouts without my wrists feeling uncomfortable. If this is not an issue for you, that's great. However, for those of you with weaker wrists, this program might be a struggle. So if you were to ask me whether I'd do this challenge again, my honest answer would probably be no because of my bad wrists. So no more reverse planks for me. Overall, this challenge provided me with much better results than my first 2-week shred program. It's crazy really, so if you take a look at my before and after photos, it's kind of drastic. Before I started this challenge, I had some ab lines showing on the side. It was like a glimpse of the 11 abs, but with a lot of fat around it. After the 2-week shred program, you can see my body from behind has more of an hourglass shape too, and look at my abs. I could clearly see the one horizontal line across, which I was never close to before. So I'm still impressed at the results I got from this program. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to hit that like button below and subscribe to my channel to see more.